All right, this meal is full of big, bold spices, and I want something to cool it down a little bit. Hello? Yeah, I'm making it right now. Yeah, it's super fresh. Yeah, I know. All right, so this is a nice light cucumber salad. Because everything is really nice and spicy and heavy, this is a good way to add some freshness to the meal. And it's one of those things, it's a palate cleanser, really, because you're eating a lot of spices, everything's really nice and bold, and then you get a little cucumber salad, and it cleans the palate out. It's really nice and refreshing, especially if you put a lot of spice in it. And every time you go back to the Indian food, it's like eating it for the first time again. It's so much fun. So, one of the coolest cats on the block for this salad is cucumber. It's fresh, it has a lot of crunch. I leave the seeds in it, I really like that texture. And some raw onion, it's kind of the opposite of the cucumber. You could use white onion, but I like to have a red onion in it. It's a perfect onion to eat it raw, but I got a tip for you. You want to slice it really nice and thin. So take a cheek off of it, the nice cheek, and just give it a really nice slice. Be careful here, take your time, but you want super thin slices of onion, especially when you're eating it raw. You just want that crunch and that light, beautiful onion flavor. You could use white onion, just slice it real thin, but red onion for me is super classic in this salad. So in with the red onion, and for some more freshness, some tomato. I like my tomatoes really nice and chunky, so just cut it in half again, and then 2 more slices, and that's good. Nice chunky tomato. And another cooling effect in this salad is the cilantro. So just rip it off. The coriander, man, is it so bright and fresh, and it's one of those characteristics in the salad. Again, you eat it, you're just like, everything is mellow. This is awesome. The dressing is super duper simple. Just some fresh lemon. There's already a ton of freshness going on there, but a nice squeeze of lemon just helps out the cool characteristics of the cilantro and the cucumber. So a nice shot of lemon. And then because it's Indian, a little bit of garam masala. Not too much, just a couple shots. It's delicious, just a little bit. Just kiss it. Touch of salt, that's it. It's so good, it's so fresh, and when you get something really spicy like the tandoori or a pakora and you want to clean off your palate, a couple bites of the onions and the tomatoes freshens you right up. And it's another one of those cooling factors. You're eating some spicy food, you want to take a break for a little bit, you hit some of that salad, it cleans the palate, freshens you up, and you can go back for more. Super good. Super cool cucumber salad. So, my friend, one thing left to do, go get cooking.